Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my green seasoning recipes. Stay tuned. So this recipe is super simple. I will have everything listed down below in the description box. This is only one of my green seasoning recipes. Now the reason I say this is because you can tell the different flavors. So here I use, of course, the bell peppers, the onions, the lime, the garlic, the fresh parsley and thyme, and some seasonings, and roasted ginger. Now my other recipe consists of like cilantro and green onion, scallions, whatever you want to call it. But like I said, I will have a video up of that, and I will have these ingredients listed down below. Let's get it. So here I'm just cutting all my bell peppers. It doesn't really matter what shape or size you cut them, as long as they're kind of like, you know, small squarish looking shapes. I'm putting this in my food processor. Yes, y'all, I'm cheating a little bit. If you don't have a food processor, which I really recommend, it's a lifesaver. Like I said, if you don't have a processor, use a blender, a Ninja, whatever you have, it's okay. Now, as you can see, when I'm finished cutting up everything and putting it in my processor, you can see the consistency that I love. Now, I like my consistency more of on the minced side. So, like you have minced garlic. I like all my peppers and all that mixture to be minced because I still want to taste it. You know what I'm saying? I still want to be able to taste the actual texture of the bell peppers and onions. Now, if you don't like bell peppers and onions, but you want to still have that flavor, mince it well, like similar to a puree, but not a puree, okay? Keep it a little texture in there. So here I'm adding everything to my processor. This is so easy. It's a lifesaver, y'all. When y'all want to cook, y'all don't feel like putting a whole bunch of seasonings together, throw your seasonings, your herbs, your peppers, vegetables, all in one blender. Seriously, blend it up. Add what you want. If you want lemon juice, add that instead of lime juice. If you don't like red bell peppers, add yellow or orange or just green. I will have a complete green seasoning recipe soon. This is one of them. Now, I like to use this in my rice, my vegetables, or my meat. Excuse my beautiful son. He loves to cook too. So, as you can see, look at the consistency. It's like a mince, okay? Super simple, so easy. Store in a container. Use it within 3 or 4 days or to a week. Just keep an eye on it. You can even freeze it in an airtight container. Yeah. So, if you decide to make it, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.